In today's video, I'm going to teach you how content creators can effectively use FreshBooks, an ideal invoicing and accounting software for small business owners and freelancers alike. As a content creator, you understand how managing finances can sometimes be overwhelming with tasks like invoicing, tracking expenses, and project management. Using FreshBooks efficiently can help you stay organized, tax ready, and focused on your creative work throughout the year. Let's dive into how to get started. First, you'll want to begin by setting up your FreshBooks account. This involves creating an account and completing your business profile. When prompted, make sure to add your business's name and essential contact information. A crucial step here is to connect your business bank accounts and credit cards. This connection allows FreshBooks to automatically track your income and expenses, saving you time and reducing manual input. Additionally, you can customize payment options, making it more convenient for your clients to pay you, whether they prefer credit card transactions or bank transfers. Next, let's talk about managing your income with invoices and proposals. For those involved in sponsored content, freelance gigs, or brand partnerships, FreshBooks can streamline your billing process, ensuring you get paid on time. Take advantage of creating professional invoices by adding your brand's logo and detailing the services you provide, such as a 30-second video spot or blog post and social media package. You can easily add any tracked time or expenses directly onto the invoice. If you work on retainers or ongoing projects, setting up recurring invoices can automate billing, providing consistency in your cash flow. Proposals are another fantastic feature. They allow you to present client pitches professionally, complete with estimates and contracts. Once a client approves a proposal, it can seamlessly transform into an invoice with just a click. Don't worry about chasing down clients for payments. FreshBooks handles late payment reminders automatically. Tracking your time and projects is another area where FreshBooks excels. This feature is invaluable in ensuring you bill clients accurately for the time spent on their projects. Use FreshBooks' built-in time tracker to log hours effectively for different projects or clients. Moreover, if you collaborate with other creatives like editors or designers, the project management tools allow you to set up projects and invite team members, facilitating better tracking of progress and time. Organize your expenses efficiently with FreshBooks. By linking your bank accounts, expenses can be automatically imported into the system. The FreshBooks mobile app further simplifies capturing receipts on the go by snapping a quick photo. The software digitalizes this information and categorizes the expenses accordingly. For tax purposes, it's beneficial to organize expenses into categories like software subscriptions, equipment, or travel, which simplifies identifying eligible tax deductions. Finally, leverage FreshBooks' reporting features to gain insights into your business's financial health. Generate comprehensive financial reports to review your cash flow, profit and loss, and a detailed breakdown of your income and expenses. If sales tax is applicable to your services, FreshBooks tracks it for you. Reporting features also help estimate your quarterly and annual tax liabilities, enabling you to allocate funds appropriately. FreshBooks is particularly suitable for freelancers, self-employed creators, teams that include video editors or graphic designers, and anyone managing multiple clients and projects. This all-in-one accounting solution is designed to meet the unique needs of content creators, keeping everything in one streamlined platform so you can focus on what you do best: creating.